Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. By the video title, you obviously can tell what we're going to be doing. I just recently purchased top of the line 2017 iMac 27-inch coming in at 3,500 Canadian with the extended warranty. And I found that the 8 gigs of RAM that it came with is just not quite enough for me. There's the bad boy right there. It takes up the whole screen. And this is the RAM that I picked up off Amazon that we're going to install, 16 gig DDR4 2400 sodium. First thing you need to do is I put a blanket down on the table. We're gonna flip this over, lay it on its face. This tab's pretty hard to push down, so I'm gonna use a jack. There we go. So the back of the cover even gives you some instructions. Pretty straightforward. Pull those tabs out and then the memory cards will slide forward. And you can see the memory card slots inside. There you go. Once the RAM's installed, snap your cover back into place. Well, that was straightforward and simple. Took a whole about 5 minutes to do, and you're done, back up and running. Now, when you install the RAM or going to buy a RAM for your iMac, always buy the proper RAM for it. When you go into your MacBook and you hit the Apple button and you go about this Mac, and then you go to the memory and it goes upgrade memory instructions, and you can look at all the Macs that are out there and gives you instructions. It gives you a criteria of the memory you need for that particular Mac. For example, for mine, I'm going to screenshot it right there just so you guys can see the type of memory it needs or uses. And my iMac can actually be upgraded to 64 gigs of RAM. I got 24 gigs right now. And I'm probably going to add another 16 gig. I might even just max out to 64. Anyways, this job took about 5 minutes and I'm done. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.